Basically, I'm a postgraduate in finance and the stock market has always fascinated me. So I thought of posting finance related videos once in a while. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now about this sovereign gold bond fifth tranche which was released yesterday, that is August 3rd. Actually, I'm posting this video today because this scheme will be open only till this August 7th, that is coming Friday till 3 p.m. First, let me tell you the advantages of gold bond over physical gold. No need to pay extra for safeguarding, that is lock or rent, or no need to pay additional making charges. And then you can also use sovereign gold bond as a collateral security for your loan, and you can also give to someone at any given point. More than capital appreciation, you will get interest of 2.5% per annum. Now, this is the main advantage of investing in sovereign gold bond. This interest you will not get if you own physical gold. Maturity period or lock-in period is 8 years. That is, if you invest now in your child's name, after 8 years, maybe during their higher education or marriage, you will get capital appreciation along with interest. Say for example, if gold rate is 5,000 approximately now, and in 8 years, if it is going to become 10,000 per gram, then along with this 10,000 per gram, you will also gain interest of 2.5% per annum. Let me show you statistics of gold rate for the past 5 years. In 2015, gold rate for 1 gram of 24 karat gold was 2,500, and now today's rate is 5,553 for 1 gram. Gold has actually gained a CAGR of 37%, and it is predicted that gold rate will touch 8,200 per grams in the coming years. Gold is a good investment, not only on the basis of growth and return perspective, but it is a good way of diversifying your portfolio. This sovereign gold bond is issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India, so your capital is safe. As I told you already, you will get interest of 2.5% per annum, which will be credited to your bank account biannually. Please remember, this interest is taxable. In this tranche, 1 unit is equivalent to 1 gram, which is priced at Rs 5,334 per gram. If you buy through online, you will get a discount of Rs 50 per gram, so it is 5,284 per gram. You can also buy through post office, or you can approach your bank wherein you have to fill in a form and you can purchase. Maturity or lock-in period is 8 years, but you can exit at the end of 5th year also. You can also sell it in the share market through your Demat account if you are in urgent need of money before maturity period. But this will attract tax, like you have to pay tax for that amount. But if you exit after maturity, that is after 8 years, then the total amount is tax-free. There are total 6 tranches, so if you miss the chance to invest this time, you can do it on August 31st, but you will not get it at the same price. It can be higher than this, or it might reduce also. Yes, you should always remember that investment value can erode if gold rate comes down in future at the time of redemption. Considering the volatility in stock market, more and more people are investing in gold. The more the demand, more will be the price of gold. Now gold is in its all-time high price. It might get corrected, but remember, you are going to invest for long term, 8 years. So to conclude, if you have not invested much in gold before, consider investing in this bond. You can get capital appreciation along with interest. If your total investment in gold is less than 10%, then definitely go for this. If you have invested more than 10% in gold already, then think and invest. At least invest few units of this. Please do your research before investing. Thank you.